In this video, you will learn how to use Migration Workbench to migrate an Oracle 12c non-multitenant database to a 19c multi-tenant database. To use the Data Migration Workbench, you must have the Real Application Testing license for Enterprise Manager. Let's get started. Log in to Enterprise Manager, go to Enterprise, click Migration and Consolidation, and then select Database Migration Workbench. Click Create Migration Activity to start a new database migration. You can use the activity page to submit migrations, diagnose, and troubleshoot the database migrations. To start a new migration activity, select the source non-multitenant database you want to migrate. Next, select a destination database. You can select an existing pluggable database or create a new pluggable database. In this example, I click the option to create a new pluggable database as the destination database. Enter the details and then click OK. The most efficient migration method is automatically selected. To reduce business downtime, I select the migration phase option, Create Backup. This option performs a multi-phase transportable tablespace migration. Next, the Compare Performance option uses an integrated SQL performance analyzer tool and offers a performance comparison of the before and after migrated database. I can select the option to create a new SQL tuning set using the Automatic Workload Repository, AWR, or I can choose to use an existing SQL tuning set. If there's a business need, there's an option to add a custom script during the pre- and post-migration stage. Click Review. Next, click Check Migration Readiness. This determines the stability of your source database for migration and carries out a set of pre-migration checks against the source database and provides a success or failure report with severity-wise advisory recommendations. The database administrator must fix the reported issues before you start the actual migration. Now, I select the Validate option to validate the source and the destination database details, including logins, database status, the disk space, privileges, and so on. Next, click Submit to start the migration immediately, or schedule the migration for another time. If you want to use the REST API automation for the migration, you can use this pre-filled JSON and run it from any orchestration tool. Click Submit. Now you can view the procedure activity along with the detailed output of each step. You can take multiple incremental backups using the Update Backup option, or select the Complete Migration to migrate a complete database. In this example, I click Complete Migration. After the final database migration job is complete, click the vertical ellipse and then select View Analysis to view the migration analysis. Input validation happens before the job runs or during the runtime of the migration job. The pre-migration analysis of the source database displays a severity report with recommendations to fix any issues. Similarly, the post-migration analysis is a comparison of the source database and the migrated database. You can fix any critical issues from the post-migration analysis and then run the SQL performance analysis on the migrated database. The SQL Performance Analyzer report displays improved and regressed SQLs after migration. For regressed SQL statements, SQL Performance Analyzer provides performance improvement recommendations. This enables you to remediate any negative results before the end users are affected. You can use the Migration Workbench by following the LiveLabs link in the description below this video. In this video, you learned how to use the Migration Workbench to migrate databases to multi-tenant PDBs efficiently and with minimal business impact.